Hey guys, today I'm gonna start a new bunch of tutorials about how to create a workout diary application in React using hooks that you learned about in previous videos, and also we will learn a few new ones. First of all, we need to set up our dev environment, obviously to start to code our project. We need to start npx create React app plus our project's name and execute the command in terminal. By the way, create React app creates a starter kit to build our application. Then we have to open the project folder in our code editor or integrated development environment IDE. In my case, this is Visual Studio Code, incredibly powerful code editor, and it behaves like an IDE. It supports extensions, a lot of plugins, and so on. By the way, it's use local storage as hook documentation that we will use to save our data locally to get them if even we reboot our PC or laptop or even close a browser. I think we need to clean up our project as well from garbage. Okay, fellas, let's get right into it. What about layout? It's simple, but for illustrative purposes will be helpful. We have a header where the project name, we have input, select, and button to save and add new trainings to list, and the list itself. There are trainings name, reps or time, and date. Also, there is a simple red cross. We can click on it and we can delete it. I mean, our training. That's all about time, force, and consistency, I think. But in the next video, we will work on React components, planning what components do we need and what are the purposes for each of them. If you are excited about this project, I urge you to watch playlist about React hooks to understand what's going on here and like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.